Today we are going to make a baby dinosaur. We'll start with making a hill-like structure on top. I'm using a 2B pencil here. I'm going to make just 2 circles under the one big, one small. The left one is going to be slightly bigger. I'm going to make an arc on the left. Just under the eyes, I'm going to make a U-shaped structure. Another arc parallel to the first one. One curvy line for the body and tail. Legs. And the feet is going to be an inverted U as shown. We'll start painting. I'm going to use light blue. This is in both cases. If you're using acrylic, you can use cobalt teal or a lighter shade of blue. If you're using poster colors, you can use cobalt blue. You will start painting the body. I want you to take brush number 4 or 6 for this. Use a synthetic round brush while painting. While you're painting, make sure you make the outline of the structure inside the body and then fill it in. This way you do not get the paint outside the border. Hold the brush in a slightly slanting position so that you get a nice tip and it's easy to do the border. Fill the light blue shade completely as a base coat inside the body. Once you've done the outline, you can follow a single direction to fill inside the body. I'm going to use a darker shade of blue. If you're using acrylic paint, you can take ultramarine blue. And if you're using poster colors and you've used cobalt, you can use Prussian blue, a darker shade than what you used earlier. So you're going to fill it on top of the head and then we're going to do the borders inside the body. Once you do the border, make sure you're slightly blending it with the tip of your brush so it looks shaded. I'm going to outline this for the entire structure so this color stands out and blends well. Apply the darker shade on the light blue while this is wet so it helps you in blending easily. Don't wait for the light blue color to dry up. You can immediately start outlining it with the darker shade of blue. As you can see, my colors are blending nicely because my light blue is wet. This adds a little more dimension to your painting. taken white paint to fill in the circles for the eyes. We need to fill in the white color in the feet in the U-shaped, inverted U-shaped structure. I'm going to take in lemon yellow to fill in the entire background. To do the borders first. For acrylic users and poster color users, you can both use lemon yellow color. It's available in both the brands. Once you do the borders, try to fill the entire white background with lemon yellow. Use your brush wisely, hold it slightly slant while you're close to the borders so that you get a nice tip. You start with the edges so that the color in the blue color dries up, so it's easier to paint near the border and it doesn't smudge or merge with the blue. Wait for it to dry for a while. Use a thinner brush. You can use brush number 2, and we'll take lemon yellow again to make tiny circles or ovals on the top of the body as a pattern. I'm going to take white paint and make a zigzag line to make it look like grass. I'm going to take light blue color. I'm going to take black, and I'm just going to outline the entire drawing again with a thin brush. You can use brush number 2. If you're not comfortable using a brush, you can also alternatively use a black sketch pen once the baby blue dinosaur is dry. You can use a black sketch pen or a black marker to do this. But if you want to practice the outline, you can use a thin brush and black paint to outline the baby dinosaur. All the lines that we drew with pencil are going to be outlined with black. Two circles, one big, one small on the face. I'm going to take light blue and make a tiny circle inside the eye. A round circle. I'm just going to fill it in circular motion. I'm going to do this for the other eye as well. I'm going to make two tiny black dots inside the blue dot so that both the colors are visible. And one tiny white dot over these for highlight to make the look slightly more cuter.